Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 5-gallon portable shower or cleaning utensil. This is actually a really great idea if you're going camping, and I know whenever we go camping in our RV, sometimes having a portable shower is actually an excellent idea because you don't always have access to these things. This is a great 5-gallon bucket. It is extremely strong. It is built out of food grade material, and I'm loving the fact that it's got all these grommets that are built onto here that this thing will not leak. Even if it's turned upside down, it is not going to leak out of there. Now, you don't have to turn it upside down, and it doesn't have to be a gravity fed system because it is actually wired into a battery. This waterproof battery that they got attached on here, you simply twist on. It comes with 2 batteries. Simply pop one off. Each one lasts for 45 to 60 minutes, so you're going to have plenty of time to use this, which is great. Simply turning it on, you're going to push a button. It's on, it's quiet, and you can tuck it in this accessory bag. Now, the accessory bag holds your instruction guide, your spare battery, a little USB charger. You got your cap that you can use on here, and you can even wrap up this hose and put it in there whenever you're traveling. That way it doesn't get in the way. Great little handle, and look at that. I mean, that is constant pressure, and that's a decent amount of force for cleaning, which is really good. You can either use it with hot water or cold, take a shower, or since it's a food grade bucket and you're putting things in there out by your campsite, you can use it to wash vegetables or wash your dog. I mean, I could think of 1,000 different reasons this would be fantastic. As we were out camping, you go to the beach, before you get into your RV, rinse off your feet. I mean, there's a lot of nice things you can use this for. So I'm really liking the fact that it is so compact, so nice to have, food grade, and it is quiet, and it comes with that spare battery. This is a great thing anybody could use. I wanted to show one other thing that it came with. I'm not going to demonstrate it as far as it actually hanging up, but it did come with this little piece, which, you can hang that on a tree outside somewhere, lock it in there, and then you can actually have it hanging to where it's locked in, and you can then go ahead and take your shower and so forth with that, which is a really great addition to have too. So that's really nice. So all in all, great little compact package, extremely strong and will work well in anybody's home.